This is a review of the Phoenix Mountain e-bike 27-inch. It has mechanically operated disc brakes on the front and the rear wheel. It has a carrier but no rear light. It does have a reflective rear light. It has 6-speed Shimano gears. A quick release for the seat adjuster. The front light. An LCD display and a electric horn. It comes with all the tools required to put it together. 2 Allen keys, Phillips head screwdriver and 2 spanners. Also comes with a manual. The bike also comes with a 2 amp 42 volt charger, which takes about 6 hours to fully charge the battery. There are 5 levels of assist, which can be changed by pressing the S plus button or the S minus button. At the bottom right, the odometer is displayed by default. Short pressing the power button changes between odometer, trip meter, voltage, current and duration of trip. At the top right, the current speed is displayed by default. If the S plus button is held for over 2 seconds, the maximum speed will be displayed. Pressing the S plus button for another 2 seconds displays the average speed. Top left is the power meter and below that is the battery indicator. The front headlight can be turned on or off by pressing the CUR button. The bike has a walk mode which can be activated by pressing the S minus key for over 2 seconds. In walk mode, the motor propels the bike at 6 kilometers per hour. To go back to assist mode, press the S minus button for at least 2 seconds. To access the settings, press the S plus and S minus keys together. PO1 is the LCD backlight. Pressing the power button moves to the next setting. And an important setting that should be changed is the PO6, the time measurement. By default it's set to 26.5. This gives inaccurate odometer and speedo readings. I found 28.4 gives the correct readings. To reach the setting, press the power button. Here is a demonstration of the front light. The bike doesn't have a torque sensor but uses a cadence sensor. With a torque sensor, power is delivered smoothly and the amount of power depends on how hard the pedals are pressed. A cadence sensor only detects whether the pedals are rotating and will deliver full power while the pedals are rotating and no power when the pedals are stationary. A slight delay between when the sensor detects the pedal rotation, and also when the sensor detects that the pedals have stopped rotating. This means that if the bike is stationary and you're trying to start on a steep hill, the motor will supply no power until the bike starts moving. The delay in when the sensor detects the pedals have stopped rotating makes it difficult and dangerous to move it in tight situations. Another problem with the bike is that after only 280 kilometres, it has developed an annoying noise in the right pedal. The back brake is squeaky. The front brake was also squeaky when I first got the bike. I was able to fix this squeak by continuously applying slight pressure on a front brake to clean the disc pad. The main problem I found with the bike is the faulty battery meter. The meter displays 6 bars until the battery voltage drops below 38 volts. At 38 volts, the battery only has 60% capacity remaining. The voltage has to drop below 34 volts before the battery indicator indicates less than half charge, 3 bars. Battery voltage fluctuates greatly depending on how much power is being produced by the motor. Because of this, the battery indicator might indicate half charge, 3 bars, when the motor is idle, but then when the motor is under heavy load, the voltage might drop below the cut-off voltage for the battery, and the battery will switch off and won't turn back on again until the battery is charged, resulting in the bike having to be pedalled home without any pedal assistance. The range of the bike varies greatly depending on how much power assist you use. If you use power assist 5 all the time, the range will be 35 kilometres or less. If you use the power assist only when necessary for going up hills or into strong headwinds, you could get over 120 kilometres. That's the end of the review. Hope you have found some benefit from this review.